So in today's video, we're going to look at looping through folders and files within a specific folder. So what I've done here is I've written code, I've got a function, and then I've got a main sub here that is run. So this essentially is saying, just to step through this real quick, this essentially is saying that the user is going to choose a folder, and then we're going to store that folder name, and then we're going to call this function, and we're going to loop through every single folder, subfolder, and we're going to essentially save off into Excel all the folder names and all the file names. So you can see the folder names and the file names, and then it just loops through each file and loops through each folder. So each folder that is in the folder count. So let's go ahead and run this. So let's just run this from here. So I'm going to pick a folder. I'm just going to pick my games folder. So I'm going to hit OK. And then that's going to loop through, and you can see there, it goes through, it kind of breaks it out, which is nice. To each subfolder is offset a little bit more. So here's the main folder. These are some subfolders. So this has no other subfolders or files. But here you got sid-civ5. That's a folder. And then there's other subfolders in here. So these files are in there. You can see they've got extensions on them. And then here is a subfolder, and that has files in it. So it just keeps breaking it out. You can see all these subfolders that go out. There's actually no files in there. It will just keep breaking it out all the way out. So nice little piece of code just to be able to look and see all your folders and your folders names. Obviously, you can do a search, but sometimes it is nice to be able to download these and look at these and be able to filter them in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.